This phenomena is called feather autonomy. Here, few birds, including doves, shed their tail feathers as an escape phenomena from the predators. While this helps the bird escape from predators, it also comes at a cost. Without its tail feathers, bird's flight control is reduced. Display during the courtship is affected. Finding a mate during the breeding season is also affected. But the good news is it can grow back after the next molting, and the bird eventually will regain both his ability of balance and finding a mate.